Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Paint 3D and loading your image so you can edit immediately. Once loaded, set the canvas size and background to match your output needs. This prevents scaling artifacts later. Use the Select tool to crop unwanted areas, then apply Magic Select to isolate a subject and remove its background. Make sure to confirm edges and refine the selection. This creates clean layers for the edits that follow and saves time when you start adding effects or painting. Now refine the image by painting, layering, and adding 3D elements to build depth. Use brushes with varied size and opacity to blend edges or add texture. Short strokes control transitions while longer ones speed coverage. Drag stickers or 3D objects into place, then rotate and scale them. Once aligned, adjust depth to sit them correctly in the scene. Apply light and filter effects to unify color and contrast. These steps make separate elements look like one cohesive image. Finish by reviewing composition, flattening or preserving layers as needed, and exporting in the correct format for your use. Save copies. PNG preserves transparency, JPEG reduces file size, export 3D models if you added 3D objects. Once saved, zoom in to check edges and redo any Magic Select passes to fix jagged borders. If colors shift on export, make small adjustments to brightness/contrast and re-export. This simple tweak usually resolves color or compression issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.